Hi, welcome to the introduction video for Writing Project 1. This is our first major writing project for this semester. And if you already looked ahead, you'll notice that this is about reflection, and that's something we're going to be doing a lot in this class. And there's a couple of reasons why we're focusing on reflection. The first reason is because research has shown that reflecting on things that you've learned in the past or things that you are learning helps you remember those things better and use them better in the future. So we're going to be reflecting a lot on our writing during the course of the class, and this is a way to get that kicked off, get us thinking about our writing and everything. The other reason that we're doing this is because I just don't think that people do think about their writing very often. When you're sending a text message, or you're sending doing a Facebook status update, or you're writing a grocery list, or even if you're writing an essay for class, I think a lot of people don't really take for granted what they're doing with the writing, that they're sending stuff out to an audience and trying to persuade them in some way, trying to get them to think about certain things in a certain way. And I think it's helpful to do that mindfully, to really think about what you're doing as you're doing it. So this paper is also working on that. There's a few other things that I'm hoping to do in this paper, and the first one is practice making claims. So this is something that you'll be doing throughout all your major writing projects, and it's probably something that you're going to be doing all throughout college. Whenever you write, you make a claim. You state something, and then you back it up with evidence to show that that thing is true to your audience, to try to convince them to think the way that you think about that thing. And it can be an argument, or it can be something that's just really simple. You just want them to think about this piece of information in this way and know what you know. To do that, in this case, we're going to be using primary research. This is evidence that you've gathered yourself. So for us, it's going to be writing that you've done in the past and stories that you have about your writing process. You're going to be using that primary research as evidence to help make your point. Now, we're also going to be practicing the writing process for the first time in this assignment. This is something that's really important. We're going to be working through pre-writing, we're going to be going on to first drafts, we're going to be going on to revised drafts and peer review and everything to build up to make a better piece of writing. This writing process is really important, and I think it's something that a lot of people don't really think about, especially early writers don't think about. Evidence has shown that expert writers and novice writers really aren't that different in their skill for writing. The big difference usually is how much time they spend on revising their writing. I know that I spend a lot of time revising my writing. A lot of times my first drafts are really crappy, but as I go through the process and revise and get advice and so forth, my writing becomes better and better. And we're going to practice that process now with this first writing project, and we'll also be doing it in writing projects 2 and 3. Yeah, so I'd like you to now write a short response to this video, your thoughts on the writing assignment or any questions that you might have, and then go on and read the writing assignment carefully. All right, thanks.